Welcome to 2979 Northwest Chardonnay Lane, located in Westside Meadows. This home is 1,928 square feet, 3 beds, 2.5 bath, built in 2003 on a 7,840 square foot lot. Has a 2-car attached garage, RV parking that could be fully fenced on the side. Additionally, it could just be parking for another vehicle. Nice to have that option. It's a corner lot with great privacy, good landscaping, fenced backyard, southern facing back porch. Lots of solar exposure back there if you want to grow a garden. The roof is brand new, just installed. The stain on the fence is new. Just a beautiful location. Lots of nice mature trees. You can get down to the river quickly, all around town very quickly. Back to Tumalo on the back roads. It's just around the bend if you want to go there for any reason. Just a very convenient location, good privacy, and a nice home. Moving in the front door, the foyer is spacious, gives you a view up the staircase towards the second floor, and then begins its nice open space. You have your natural gas fireplace. This spot with the piano makes a great seating area, little office area if you like. The view out the back is awesome. All the natural light that comes in. The house does exceptional with natural light. And that's the formal dining. Makes a nice office additionally if you want, if you don't need a formal dining area. This space flexes easily in many different ways. All the woodwork's been freshly retouched throughout and is in perfect condition. Enhance came through and cleaned these all up. The trim's been retouched. Everything is perfectly dialed. You have a good pantry, lots of storage, good space there for garbage and recycling. There's radiant floor heat also throughout all of this tiled area. There's the controller, and that allows heat all through these areas that you see the tile. Very conveniently located powder for the main floor. With this formal dining, what's awesome, you can fit a big table like this and still put a hutch there. I sat here with the owners, and lots of room to sit around that table, even with the hutch. You remove the hutch and you've got all the room you could ever imagine to get around every side very comfortably. But it's a really nice size formal dining space. And then you have the utility room, has a little closet for your wares, and it is best with a stackable. That's why the sellers are including this stackable, because you really, to get the doors open and do everything right, it's best to have a stackable because it gets too tight for that door leading out to the garage comfortably. So they're going to leave those stackables so that you can very comfortably make that work with the space that's there. On the second floor here, in the landing, more built-ins for your linens. Onto the primary with its coffered ceilings, great natural light. Lots of built-in lighting. Moving into the primary tub shower combination. Oversized, so it's a bit of a soaker. Tub. Double vanity. Enclosed toilet. So important. One of the nicest features you can have in any primary. And a really well organized large primary closet. One of the guest bedrooms. Fits a queen size bed great. This is a twin right now. And the room orients several different ways. The great thing with both of the guest bedrooms, they both have spacious closets with lighting. Always awesome to have that. Guest bathroom, spacious, nice tub shower combination. Again, a little oversized, so it can be a bit of a soaker tub. And this guest bedroom is about equal size to the other. Really private though, because it looks out into the backyard. Has that tree screening as well. And additionally has that really spacious walk-in closet with light. Moving now into the bonus room. This space is also thermostatically controlled with the same central heating system that has central gas heat and central AC. There's a gas fireplace, nice built-ins, great spot for an office up here. Surround sound is built in and goes back to a controller receiver that's behind the TV. It's acoustically isolated from the primary and from the living space, so enjoyment can be had in this room without interrupting people in other spaces, and it's over the top of the garage, which further aids in that. Now in the backyard, looking at the freshly stained back patio. This great corner lot offers privacy because you don't have homes here to the side, and lots of southern exposure for light and a garden if you'd like. There's access through this side to the front. Everything's in beautiful shape. Lots of shade trees. Access into the house through that slider. And then just past that tree to the left, there's also another gate that leads out to the RV parking area. And there's a man door into the garage. This leads back to that RV parking area. Big backyard, lots of privacy, good shade, and southern exposure for nice daylight.